Hello, budgeting friends. It's Vicky. I am back with my last cash stuffing for 1 month ahead for April. And this really isn't a cash stuffing. This is more of like a savings challenge. Roll the dice. Let's get excited. How many challenges can we complete? What kind of goals are we going to meet today? I do have my $40 here. And actually, this might be 42 because I found an extra 2, and I don't know if I put it in this one or if I put it in Christmas. It doesn't really matter. I have 4 savings challenges that I'm going to be working on today. And if you caught my last week's video, I did this a different way than normal. When I used to do this, I would roll the dice and it would tell me which envelope was going to get money. Now that I have 4, and I'm only working on these 4, I decided that I am just going to do roll the dice, and whatever number shows up on the dice, that's how many bills that particular envelope is going to get. So it worked last week. I thought I liked the way it worked. So I'm just trying to move these things so they're going to be in frame. So I'm going to do that this week again. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter. We're going to start. You know what? I think we're going to start with this one today. This is what we ended with last week. This is the savings challenge group because this is for my phone. My goal is to have this fully funded by the end of April. Now I realize I only have $40 and I need, I think, 125. So I don't have any kind of miracle making skills, but I would like this one to get more money than these, for instance, and then I can see how much I can add to this to bump it through to get this one done. Because like I said, this is the last savings go around for this for April. So I'd like to see how much I can do here. So we're going to start here first. It gets 5 bills. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should have put these, I should have mixed those up, quite honestly. But I like that it got that many. So I'll hide the rest. All right. And then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how is everybody doing today? I cannot believe how quickly April is going. Isn't it ridiculous? It's like it just started. Okay, there's only 3, but it got a 6, but we can only give it what it got. It is just ridiculously crazy how fast April is going. All right, so let's see what we're doing here. All right, so this one needs 45 to finish it. 45, total, because that's what this is worth, not to finish it, because I do have a couple of dollars over there. So let's see what we got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So I can do 18 more. So we'll do 5, 10, 15, 18. Yeah. Ooh. So to finish this, I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, 17, 18. I need $18. And to fully fund my my phone, oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Let me see. So my phone Let me pull it out. I have 190. My goal is 300. So 300 minus 190 is 110. Okay, that's not as terrible as I thought. So did I just have too many challenges in here? So 110 minus 45, I need to have 65. Yeah, I have more challenges in here than I need because I do have 10 already saved, so $55. Okay, so what I think I want to do is I have some 5s. I want to see if I can finish this up today. So I need 300, right? And there's 150, and then there's 40. I need 110. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Ooh, am I gonna do it? I need $40, and I didn't have $40 in here. Oh no! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need $20. I'm confident that I can find it. Confident. Fully funded. Now, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do some struggle hustle with but that's okay. All right, so this is fully funded now. I need to, where's my, here we go. All right, so today is, I don't even know what today is. It is the 28th, so 4/28. Oh. This one was for phone. All right, so I might not be as bad off as I originally thought. So I'm gonna put these in here, but I am putting in enough to reach my goal, which was $110. So this will be fully funded with 110. I'll probably have to cut some of this off because I had to cut the other ones off. They were a little bit too long. Okay. All right. And I have not been doing Ring the Bell this month because I am trying to put every penny that I can into my 1 month ahead challenges. So that's why you're not seeing me, you see me ring the bell, but you don't see me putting any dollars in because all those dollars need to go into these bills. So there's 150, 170, 190, 200, and then we have 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. Let me put that money back over there. $300 we can color in all of these equal to 300, and then this is fully funded. And you know what? I'm just going to put it in here now. I was thinking, oh, I better put it in my box of being, you know, finished, but that's okay. I'd rather have it be where it needs to be, because since it is the end of the month here, I am going to be condensing this. It doesn't even want to fit. I'm going to be condensing this and taking it to the bank, putting this money into my high yield savings account. And that envelope might be a little bit too fat to hold all this stuff. Goodness gracious. That's a thick mama. Okay. We can move this towards the back to the fully funded. Which is right here. Okay. All right, that's nice. So this one is complete. This one got completed. So I had 110 that I needed, minus 10, minus 45. So this one is for 40. And all of these savings challenges are planned to save designs. And this particular one, I only needed $15 to finish this up. So there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm just going to mark that we just needed 15 here. Kind of a waste of a savings challenge, but I don't have any other ones available to me at this moment. But I'm going to say that we finished that. Woohoo! All right. That was a long, drawn-out way to do this, but that's okay. This is not going to be refilled until I get finished with all of these savings challenges first. And because now that I only have these 3, we are going to be able to like really knock these out of the park, I think. But maybe not. I don't know. We'll see what happens. All right. So my car insurance today is going to be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we can color in 8 of these. Alrighty. And this savings challenge is by Budget Playhouse by Karen. So now we have, in this particular challenge, we have 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. $14, and that's going to car insurance. This one here for my electric. Oops, I pulled out the next challenge too, but I think we're going to need it. So we are putting in 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 into this challenge, but we only needed 5 today to finish this up. So there's 3, 4, and 5. So let me take 5 out of here to finish this challenge up. This should be 15 now. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15 going towards electric. And I would like to have the electric fully funded by the end of June, because that's a big one. But woohoo! Yay! All right, so the next one that we're going to be doing is by Plan to Save Designs. This honestly should go towards my cat savings challenge, because my rule is if it's a cat, it goes to the cat savings challenges. But I have it for electric. I don't need to be that ridiculous, I guess. I'll let it go towards the electric. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6 is going into this one today. So let's do 2, 4, 6. All right. And then lastly, we're working with the car registration. It only got $3 today. What in the world? So, all right, $3. But it's better than nothing. And now we have $13 in this one. And this adorable savings challenge is by the Millennial Saver. Look at how cute this is. I mean, really, can you get any cuter? Oh my goodness. Okay, well that is it for today. And I know that there was a lot of shenanigans and juggling around getting my, what do you call it? My phone done. But I wanted to have my phone completed by the end of April. And today, you know, basically that's it. So we are still working on these 3. The next one that I really want to get finished is going to be my electric. That's going to be the next one. And then, so my electric I'm really going to push. And then the car insurance. And then my registration's not due until November 15th. And I looked online today to see if I could see what it's going to be, and they said it was too early. But I'm just going to, you know, keep pushing away on my registration to see what I can do to get that funded. But I want to thank you so much for being here with me today and putting up with all of this tomfoolery. I really appreciate it. I guess I can put this back in here so it doesn't get lost. But yeah, I'm just going to be concentrating on these 3 and see how it goes in May. Because in May, if I put $40 in here each week, that's $160. Even if I just put that towards one bill, that's still not nearly enough. I need to figure out what to do. I just don't know what to do. I need to revisit my budget and figure out some stuff, I guess. I don't know, but I'll do that some other day. Oh, I'll see you again in my next video. Happy budgeting and take care.